Continuous improvement is the heartbeat of Agile, with ceremonies like sprint retrospectives designed to help teams reflect, adapt, and grow. But here's the thing. What if these retrospectives are actually holding your team back? It's not the process that's the problem, but the human factor at play. Today, we're diving into why your retrospectives might be doing more harm than good and how you can turn things around. I recently watched a video by Dave Snowden where he said something that hit me hard. We don't actually remember events as they happened if we wait to reflect. People tend to describe the past through the lens of the present's political context. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Asad, and today we're diving into a topic that's been on my mind lately. You know what? Dave Snowden is absolutely right. I've seen this play out in my own Agile teams. Picture this. You've had a great sprint, but then boom, on the last day a problem pops up. Suddenly everyone's stressed, tensions rise, and by the time you get to the sprint retrospective, what happens? The entire team is fixated on that one negative event. It doesn't matter how successful the sprint was overall. That one bad moment colors the entire conversation. This isn't just a theory, it's a reality I've faced multiple times. So what do we do about it? Is it just a matter of better facilitation, or is there something deeper we need to address? To tackle this, I decided to run a simple experiment. Instead of waiting for the bi-weekly retrospective to reflect, we integrated learning into our daily routine. Here's what we did. At the end of our recent meetings, I asked two quick questions. 1, how would you rate the value of this meeting on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being a waste of time, 10 being an excellent and valuable meeting. 2, if your score isn't a 10, what would have to happen for you to give it a 10? The responses were eye-opening. We quickly gauged whether the meeting was effective or if we were just wasting time. If the average score was below 6, we knew we needed to make major changes or even question if the meeting was necessary at all. If the score was above 7, we could still make small tweaks to improve based on the feedback. By making learning a part of our daily activities, we've started to build a culture of continuous improvement that goes beyond the sprint retrospective. It's about being proactive, not reactive, addressing issues as they arise rather than letting them fester. In the coming weeks, I'll be running more experiments like this and sharing what I learn with you, but I want to hear from you too. What experiments have you tried? What's worked and what hasn't? Let's learn and grow together. Drop your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Remember, continuous improvement isn't just a buzzword, it's a mindset. Let's make sure we're practicing what we preach every single day. See you in the next video.